garbage cans.
I just assumed you didn't want them anymore.
That's good. Here, give them here. You want to talk about good neighbor etiquette? How about you hire a gardener to take care of that jungle you call a lawn?
I am on a fixed income.
Oh, well, perhaps you should consider moving somewhere less expensive, like a nursing home.
Go to hell.
And, Mrs. McCluskey, are you all right?
Lynette, where are they taking me? I don't want to go alone. Come with me, please. I'm scared.
Yeah, I'll come with you. Okay, here I am.
Thank you.
Mrs. McCluskey, you're back from the hospital already?
Here. My way of saying thank you for not letting me die out there on the lawn.
It's stunning. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi there.